How to get $110 Best Buy promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Best Buy promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can use any of these websites to get Best Buy promo code. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers over here. You can just scroll and check 10% off, 20% off, $7 off, $70 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in. Just go ahead and click on see details. So here's the code, you can copy it, head towards the website of Best Buy, log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and get the discount. Likewise, if you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of redeem at Best Buy. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Best Buy. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase. While you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Best Buy. Well, this is how you can get up to $110 Best Buy promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.